Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your 2018 Toyota Highlander LE. It's a 4-door, 8-passenger all-wheel drive SUV in a sleek midnight black metallic. Under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6-cylinder D4S engine, and you'll be riding on top of 18-inch wheels. Included in your LE package is your touch panel display integrated with a Bluetooth and backup camera. Plus you have your dual zone climate control for your front and rear passengers.
Helping you into your Highlander is your handy key fob. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as the panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you have that stylish turn signal indicator on your side mirror there, and you have your color keyed handles. As we open it up, right away you're greeted by a comfortable and sophisticated interior. You have your illuminated entry, plus your soft cloth trims all throughout to help with cabin road noise. You also do have that metallic trim for added style. You have your power windows, your power locks, power adjustable side mirrors. You also do have your fully automatic headlight, high beams, and your heated side mirrors. And you have your all-weather floor mats to keep everything nice and tidy, plus your comfortable charcoal cloth seats all throughout with that premium center detailing. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Starting up your Highlander, simply put your foot on the brake there, that key in the ignition. Dashboard's gonna light up. You have your welcome screen with your ambient lighting. Taking a look at your dashboard now, you do have your multi-information display, which you can control from your steering wheel mounted controls. Things like your lane departure alert and your pre-collision system, turning on and off those alerts or setting the sensitivity of those sensors. You also do have your volume control, mode changers, voice command, and hands-free calling mounted on one side. You have your automatic headlights behind there, and you also do have that lane departure alert and your dynamic radar cruise control, both part of your Toyota Safety Sense. You can turn on and off your cruise control and set the settings from below your steering wheel there. And you have your nice, clean, sporty, and comfortable steering wheel. Taking a look at your touch panel display. Opening up your audio system, you have your AM/FM radio. You also do have your CD player, USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your music wherever you go. Opening up your setup here, you can change the color of your internal menus so that it matches your personality. So that's the red. You also do have your hands-free calling mounted on that side, and below you have your climate control equipped with air conditioning. Now, in reverse, you can see that your backup camera pops up on that screen there, a nice standard safety feature to keep everyone and everything nice and safe. You do have your rear option as well for your climate control, which they can set on the back panel on your center console there. Now, taking a look below here, you see you have your 2 USB chargers plus your 12-volt and USB and auxiliary input. And in your open shelving unit, which stretches all the way across your dashboard, you have that piece that removes, and you can run all your wires and keep things nice and organized. You also do have your traction control, your snow traction, your downhill assist, and your rear locking differential in case you get stuck anywhere. You have a stylish shift knob with that leather trim, your sport drive mode, cup holders with your chrome detailing for that morning coffee, and in your center console you have your 12-volt DC charger plus removable pieces in case you need to charge your tablet for work, and it just slides and closes nicely there. Inside of your glove box you'll find all the manuals. You'll need to know everything there is to know about your Highlander. There is a lock as well, plus we're seeing that brown and black leather on your dashboard, tying everything together on the inside of your Highlander. But why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Highlander. Taking a closer look, you do have that rear windshield wiper for when things start getting a little bit messy out there. You also do have your backup camera standard to help you in and out of those tight spots. You have your chrome skid plate for added style with your LE all-wheel drive badging. You also do have your spare tire storage underneath your Highlander, and underneath the floor here you have your tools and your jack in case anything does happen on the side of the road. Additional space for other items as well. You have your cargo lamp for visibility, plus you have your third row seating installed, so you can fit up to 8 passengers in your Highlander. While we fold it down and take a look at all the cargo space. Holding that third row seating, simply push that headrest down and drop the seat. Check out all that space that's available to you in the back of your Highlander. You also do have your handy 40/60 split folding seats in case you need to carry any larger items. Closing up your liftgate now, simply grab that handle there, drop it down, and we'll take one more look at the back of your LE.
Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Highlander LE. Built right into your Highlander is your Toyota safety sense features like your lane departure alert and your pre-collision system to have you riding away in the ultimate safety. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.